is sleeping. Go down lonesome street. Tired of sleeping dead. Go down lonesome street. And I wouldn't be here. And the big wooden deal. Get a little venue. Burn down the wine made one.
Hey, g'day everybody, long time no see. Dougie here again. Haven't done a video for a while, so I thought it was about time I got off my butt and did one. So today we're going to be putting together, hello Oscar, oh hello Rumble. Rumble's gonna help. Rumble's gonna help, of course. So this time we're going to be putting together another little engine for the 3 Turd 3 over here. That little sucker. Currently the 3 Turd 3 sounds like this. So it's just running a 13B tall port, stock exhaust ports, and today I just want to put together a little motor 13B secondary bridge port, just to give the car that that rotary idle, so that rotary pulse. So the reason for secondary bridge port is I just want it to be a still just a cruiser, and not such a pig to drive. We'll be sticking with the stock flywheel and stuff as well. So so the engine's over here. It is not the greatest engine, so some of the parts are a bit tired, but it should definitely go another turn. So I'm actually all really ready for it. Got my giant tub of Vaseline here. So check this puppy out, and my engine assembly lube. So this Vaseline tub is ridiculous. So that was courtesy of Kirk at Chemtech. Thank you for that, buddy. And just so you guys know, that's what a normal Vaseline tub looks like. So I'm pretty sure this is going to last me for a lifetime, considering I don't really build engines that often. But yeah, good stuff. Awesome. I don't know how much it weighs, but it's quite a bit. Get the lid on. Put down here. Yep, it's pretty heavy. Right, so I've got my Vash. I've got my cup of tea. So my cup of tea's you know, ready in there, and yeah, this is the engine here pretty much. So basically secondary bridge, bridge port front and rear plates, and then a stage 2 or extend port center. So when I say the parts are a bit sort of tired, so these have been skimmed and then blocked back. You can see there's a bit of pitting there at the exhaust stroke, which is fine. Same on the center plate here as well. The other side of this also has you know, a bit of pitting and staining as well, but you know, it's flat, it's good. Got one of the old school regulators here, which I've just basically shimmed up and tested it, and it's putting out about 100 psi, so that will help there a bit. And we've done some oil mods to the plates as well, so we just milled out all the oil galleries, just a 10 mil, just to clean them up basically, because you know they're sort of stepped and rough inside. So that was all done a couple of weeks ago. Yeah, and the rotors here, so RX4 rotors, yeah, sort of stock weights. They're both C weight rotors. I've already done put the side seals and corner seals in. So these side seals and corner seals, they're all second hand. So I actually went through all my old side seals and found the best ones, and then swapped and changed them around and tried to get the best clearances. And Bob's your uncle. But however, we have put brand new side seal springs in and brand new corner seal springs. Bearings are second hand, they're good, we'll just be reusing those. Same with the bearings in the stationary gears as well. We'll just be using those, and they're all good. These are the housings over here. So again, these housings, I've mic'd them all up, so there's no shrinking or anything like that, no warping, but they do have some chrome peel. So just on the exhaust stroke, you can see there's a bit of peel there, sort of a bit of peel and chipping there, but the rest of it's pretty good. I think there's a little bit up the top, but within spec. And then this housing's sort of very similar as well, so it's got some peel on the exhaust stroke there and sort of up there, but the rest of it's good. So the actual chrome's pretty decent, there's no sort of scoring, it's pretty flat, which is cool, you know. So yeah, so they should go good actually, I think. When we're on a budget. Oh, these are all the so O-rings and front and rear seals, dowdy washers, etc. Front cover gasket, and here's the through bolts, counterweights, front stack stuff, high volume oil pump, second hand, which is in good condition, not worn. Not too sure about this oil pump chain. I do have a new one, but wait till see when it's on, might replace that. But yeah, that's it. And I guess over here, what else we got? We've got the cranks, Synarix 4-5 crank, and a bit of marks and stuff, but it's very straight, which is good. Good second-hand oil control ring casings. We've got new oil control springs, brand new, and new oil control O-rings going into the engine as well. So yeah, so that's about it. Oh, and brand new power seals. So brand new South Coast rotary power seals are going to the engine, with some new Apex seal springs. The main reason why I'm using new Apex seals is because I don't actually have any decent second hand ones apart from carbons, and these housings really aren't in the, you kind of want absolutely mint housings to run carbons, so I'll keep carbons for my peripheral ports and stuff like that. So we decided to just go for some new Apex seals and new springs there. So yeah, so that's about it. Oh, hello Rumble, sleeping on the job. Yep, good boy. So yeah, so that's about it. We'll get stuck into it. So yeah, let's get it. done. Alrighty, so it's the short block pretty much done and finished. So we still obviously need to do the front stack and rear counterweight and all that sort of stuff, but we'll continue with the vid as we get around to doing that. So hopefully it all went good. Rumble was absolutely zero help this time, eh? Zero help. Hopeless. Huh? It was zero help. Eh? You're missing in action, buddy.